Arsenal 4. How are the lads? 1. We're smoking that tune pack. Why are you beautiful as? Long way back to Newcastle, guys. No trains, I'm hearing, no? Last train left at 9 p.m. Game kicked off at 8, yeah? Smash the likes up, guys. 4-1. Bosh. Why didn't we do that on Wednesday? Why didn't we do that on Wednesday, guys? Maybe my glasses were a little bit, I don't know, dirty on Wednesday. I don't know what it is. But we are drinking in the tears. Big up. Big up Kenny Ken as well. He's at the game. His fan cam's coming shortly. Jez, Matty, player ratings. Big up to everyone locked in, man. Literally 60 subs from 95k. I want to say thank you as well. Lee Reacts hit 25k today. This negative Arsenal channel, who streams other watch-alongs for other teams, non-Arsenal related, and records and uploads or streams about other clubs, has somehow, some way, managed to extract 25,000 people plus to his second channel. So big up to everyone who subbed to that. Lee Reacts, link in description. Route to 30 now. Come on, let's go. Anyway. Now we've smoked that Geordie pack. Why it's mint, you know. Yeah, we're the lads. Newcastle were toothless. They were shit. They were crap. We totally dominated that football match pretty much from start to finish. And it's just baffling why we didn't do that Wednesday. But listen, Wednesday's gone. We'll deal with that the next leg. But tonight, we see the starting 11. Jorginho in the team. We're like, I'm like, why didn't he play Wednesday, bro? What, we're going to try and control the midfield against Newcastle. We probably should have tried to control the midfield in that game, but he was outstanding. For me, he was man of the match. Absolutely brilliant performance from him tonight. Yeah, and it just shows, listen, I'm not a massive fan of Jorginho. I never have been, even at Chelsea when he was there. Never really got the massive hype around him. I'll tell you one thing about Jorginho, yeah? Right? And I don't know if you guys agree. Obviously, if you don't, you'll leave it in the comments. But the one, but. Great night in N5, guys. But the one thing I will say about Jorginho, 90-odd% of the time he comes into the team after not playing for a sustained period, he does put a good performance in. He does put a good performance in. Tonight, that was brilliant. Well done to Jorginho. Big up to you, my friend. Declan Rice. A little bit under the radar because of how good Jorginho was, but I thought he played well tonight. Our captain, bro, this guy is so jarring. In fact, let's come back to him in a minute. Let's go with the goalkeeper. The goalkeeper didn't have anything to do in the first half at all. Literally nothing, really, in terms of shot saving. But he was off his line. He was rapid. He was clearing balls. He was on his job. Yeah, he put a nice ball over the top. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. I thought he was really good tonight. Really good tonight. And listen, a lot of people blamed him for the goal the other night. Yeah, okay, mate. That's because they're friends of Aaron. And Aaron's father takes pictures with him. Yeah, he is so much better than Aaron Ramsdale. Number one, he can concentrate for the whole 90 minutes. Number two, he's sharp off his line. He's rapid off his line. 3, yeah, he can throw a ball far. We see that so many times this season. Yeah, and he's so much cooler under pressure. And the first part of his Arsenal career, he had friends of Aaron singing Aaron's songs and singing Aaron's name and all of this and that whilst he's in goal for us. And people say, I'm negative. You've gone to the game and you're singing about another goalkeeper that you rate over the goalkeeper that's in goal. Okay, mate. I think the debate's over. He's better than Ramsdale. We knew that anyway. But anyway, Benjamin White's inverting. He's used to that. So yeah. Cheers, guys. He was hit and miss tonight. He did some extremely good work. And then he got cooked a few times. Literally, Jorginho saved him after Gordon cooked him. But overall, I thought he'd done all right. I don't think anyone was bad, by the way. I don't think anyone was bad. There was some better performers than others. Obviously, that's standard. But he was, It was shaky at times. The way he was trying to stand up Gordon, and they did a standing start, and Gordon cooked him, and Jorginho had to slide tackle in the box. And I'm like, oh, bro, this could have ended in disaster. But he played all right. Kivior, very, very close to being my man of the match. That close to being my man of the match. I thought he was quality. That was his best game for Arsenal. Take the goal away, he was still quality. I thought he was good. The centre-backs didn't have a great deal to do. But what they did do, they did it well. But we know that these two centre-backs are very, very good centre-backs. And together, they're extremely good. But anyway, let's go back to Odegaard. This captain, bro, was getting absolutely on my nerves in the first half. Yeah, he was doing such good pressing at times. He nicked the ball back. Yeah, why did you take the touch? Just square it straight to 29, and he scores. Instead, you take the touch, then you square it, and the chance is gone. Yeah, he was before that skipping into near the box, held the ball, and then scooped it to the keeper. Even if he had put it through to 29, he would have been offside because he held it so long. There was a chance for him to shoot a couple of times, and it's like, and he was giving, and then he gave the ball away stupidly, gave the foul away, got booked. He did well to stay. Maybe that was why. Maybe he couldn't put himself about so much. For the third goal, yeah, he was brilliant. He was the first line of press. Yeah, that forced them to make the mistake. 29 gets the ball. Nowhere in a billion years is that an assist. I'm sorry, Saka gets the assist and the goal for that. Yeah, Saka had about 7-8 touches after he passed it to him. I'm sorry. This is why I don't count assist stats. That is not an assist to me. But anyway, listen, we'll come to 29 in a minute. Saka, again, I thought he was poor at times. Yeah, but not bad. He weren't bad, but he weren't great. It was, you're about 6 tonight, mate. Maybe borderline 7. He then gets the goal. What a finish, by the way. What a goal. Livramento got spun, bruv. Yeah, that guy got sent to Arsenal tube station to go back to Cobham. Yeah, to go back to Cobham. He got spun. Not once, but twice. 2 times a lady, baby. And he got absolutely cooked for that goal and then eventually hooked. And yeah, Saka, we managed to take him off again. Big up the manager for doing that. Let's go to the other side. Martinelli started the game really bright. In and out in the second half, but I was shocked he took him off. I would have took off Saka, but this is why I don't get paid 8 million a year, because he took off Martinelli and then Saka scored a minute later. Then he took Saka off. Yeah, but I thought we should have kept him on. He needs a goal. Yeah, he's seen a lot of other players scoring goals recently. He's had a couple of chances here and there. He shanked one out the stadium at one point. I think he was a bit worried about getting clattered in the box. Maybe didn't think he was going to make it and just shanked it. But I would have kept him on. I'll tell you why I would have kept him on. I would have played him up front. Yeah, we're going to come to him in a minute. Yeah, the number 14. We're going to come to him in a minute, guys. But yeah, I thought he played all right today. 29. That was one of his best games, if not his best game. He looks energetic tonight. I don't know how many Skittles he's eaten and gummy bears. I don't know how many cans of orange Fanta he's been drinking. But you know, I don't know whether he had a bag of Skittles in his sock like he normally does. Like, do you know what I'm saying? Like, he was good tonight. He was good. But he's a very frustrating footballer at times. First touch, dead half the time. Pushed out the way, effortlessly, just pushed. The guys like me, he's tall and skinny. Just move, mate. Yeah, just move. Yeah, that centre-back, I think it was Botman, just move out the way. But then he also missed a one-on-one to kill the game. I think that was 2-0 at the time. He could have killed the game off real quick in the second half. But then he won the ball back after Odegaard's press. He won the ball. He scored, obviously. Yeah, nice finish. Very nice finish as well. Good work from Martinelli. Dead first touch, by the way, from Martinelli. But I thought he'd run it out. He managed to whip it back in. Bang. 29 was Johnny on the spot. Bash. And that was 2-0. But he could have had a couple more goals tonight if he was a bit more clinical and a bit more smart. But I thought he played very well tonight. Yeah, and he was one of our better players tonight. Yeah, he played better than our captain. Put it that way. Oh, but Lee doesn't praise. Oh, well, there you go. I'm praising. I thought he played all right tonight. That was one of his best games, if not his best game. Take his goal away as well. He still played all right. He still played pretty well. Yeah, and listen, they were shocking. Yeah, let's not pretend they were good. They weren't. They were crap. Right, but that game was still in the balance at 2-0. Yeah, and if Odegaard hasn't pressed and 29's not there on the second press ready to nab the ball, maybe it's a different game. Maybe we don't go on and get 4 goals. Yeah, Kivior's header as well. I know it went in off of the defender, Miley, midfielder, sorry, Miley. I think it'd go down as his goal because it was on target. Yeah, the first goal was comedy of errors. That was hilarious, that goal. Yeah, I don't know why Gabriel Magalhaes was trying to claim the goal, by the way. Shameless. These Brazilians, bruv. Yeah, but subs come on. Let's go to the subs. Trossard did all right. Did all right. I was shocked he didn't start. But again, one bad performance he dropped if it's Trossard. Other players can have bad performance, they play. But Trossard, no, one bad performance, benched. Smith Rowe, he impressed me when he came on. Yeah, he still looks like he's carrying a bit of weight around the belly and that. No, I don't know what he's eating at home and that, pizzas and takeaways. I don't know, bruv. Like, get on the treadmill maybe. I don't know. Yeah, but he actually looked like he was on it. Yeah, he looked like he was at the same level as some of the other players in terms of running around and energetic. Eddie Nketiah. The king of Zamunda, Eddie Murphy. Another nail in his coffin. That guy is trash. Absolutely trash. Bin him. Bin Reese as well, by the way. Reese goes under the radar because he ain't wearing 14, but he's on 100 grand a week as well. Bin him in the summer. Mohamed El Neni. Bin him as well. Bin him. Get rid. Get rid, guys. Who else came on? There was another sub, wasn't there? Was there another sub? Make sure you smash the likes up, guys. Big up to everyone locked in. Kenny's fan cam's coming up in a minute. Straight after this, he's at the ground. Was there another sub? Smith Rowe and Nketiah, Trossard, Reese. No, I've done them all. Okay, cool. But yeah, the manager. Nice to see him making subs early. Yeah, nice to see him making subs early. And listen, yeah, we look so much better without Zinchenko and Jesus in the team. Can I just say that? Am I allowed to say that? Is that negative? We look so much better. We look so much better with Kivior at left back, not inverting, and Benjamin on right back inverting. So much better. Maybe, just maybe, we should have kept Kieran Tierney, who is factually less injured than Zinchenko and Tomiyasu. Just saying. And then we could have got Ben White to invert anyway. Big up to the person who put that in the comments tonight. But listen, let me know what you guys think of the game. That was a great performance. We needed that as well. Let's be real. Yeah, we just watched Man City before that go 4 points clear. We see Liverpool get the win against Luton the other night, 5 points clear. We had to win that game. If we dropped any points in that game tonight, finito. But yeah, big up, man. Listen, we got 9 days until our next game. We've got no midweek game because this manager don't rate the cup he won. But anyway, big up to everyone. We're out of here. Adios, amigos. Bosh, away the lads. Why are you, Judy Fuggaz?